Welcome to math. Today we are going to be doing lesson 13.2, page 525 in your workbooks. Today's focus is find the value of a group of coins. So today we're just going to take a bunch of coins and we're going to have to learn how to figure out what the value. That means how much they are worth. The cost. Okay? All right. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to work on the opening statement today. Look at the dialogue box and read along with me. Julia has 1 dime and 2 pennies. How many pop beads can she buy? All right, use words or pictures to explain how you know. All right, now through the magic of video, I just happen to have all of these beautiful coins. And I miss room 205 because at least room 205 had magnets, didn't it? And I can't use magnets on this board. All right, there's a penny. 1 dime and 2 pennies. Okay. Now, if you would like to draw these, or maybe you can get some real ones out and you can place those on your paper. Okay. Now, the first thing we need to do to figure out how many pop beads, and as you can see from the store, pop beads are 1 cent. Okay. Now, do we have 2 pennies up here? So we know we have 2 cents. But this one is worth more than 1 cent, isn't it? Now remember at the beginning of first grade, remember how we talked about how easy math is? Math is so easy because all you have to do is know how to, shout it out. Emery, count. Absolutely. That's all you have to do is know how to count. So we're going to count our cents. 1, 2, 3. Jersey, that's not good? No, that is not good. We have to find the correct value. Now underneath, I'm going to write the value of a dime, but I think I need some help. So Isaiah, how much is a dime worth? And remember, if you turn it around, the back of your coin says 1 dime. Oh, that's not really helping me right now, is it? Do you have the answer? Correct. It is worth 10 cents. Now, remember the back of the penny already tells me how much it is worth. It is worth 1 cent. And this is just the heads. It's worth the same thing. All right, now we're going to count. Now, here's the trick about counting with coins. I always want to start with the biggest number first. It just makes it easier, okay? All right, so we're going to just start out with 10. I don't need to count 10. I'm just going to say the word 10. 10. Now let's change gears and count by ones. 11, 12. So what is the value of our coins today? And I'm going to call on, who's not really paying attention? Luke. Luke, how much do I have? 12? Did you just ask a question? Tell me like you mean it. 12. Good job. We have 12 cents all together. Okay? Now, there is no coin for 12 cents, is there? No. There is no coin for 12 cents. It took 3 coins to get us to 12 cents. Okay? All right. Now that's the first part of the story. How do I figure out how many pop beads she can buy? All right, did I just say pop beads? I meant to say pop beads are 1 cent a piece. So how many beads can I buy with a total of 12 cents? And I think I'm going to call on Kaden. You are my math mind this morning. Correct. I can buy 12 beads with my total amount of money. Good job, everybody. All right, now we're going to go to the next page. Now, I have a little something that I'd like you to try for me. While I'm getting ready for the next page, you can hit pause and you're going to go get these items today. All right, you're going to need a piece of paper and you are going to get the 4 coins that you've been working with. Now, I like to say this is kind of like a little cheat sheet. Remember we had those cheater folders in our desks? This is kind of like a cheater folder at your house. I want you to lay your coins from the lowest amount of value, not the smallest coin, because remember the dime is so tiny. You're going to start out with the penny, then go to the next one in value, which is a nickel. Then you're going to go to the dime, which is worth 10, and last is the quarter, worth 25 cents. Now I want you to put those on a piece of paper. Now I taped them so that they wouldn't fall off when I was demonstrating, but you don't need tape. Yours are just going to be on your table, and under each coin, I want you to write how much that coin is worth. I want you to write the value. That's a great word, isn't it? Do you know each one of you have value? You mean a lot to me. Everything has value, especially human beings, right? Yeah. All right. Hit pause. I want you to go arrange this so that you are ready to work. Okay? All right. Welcome back. I see everybody got their coins ready. It will just be helpful, especially if you haven't learned the coins yet. Okay? Now let's do the top of our paper first. The green part on page 526. You can count to find the value of coins. All right? Yes, I can count all of those. And remember what our trick is. Liza, what's our trick? Right, you always want to start out with the biggest coin first. Okay? Just like when we count up, when we're adding, we always grab the big number and count on with the smaller number. Doesn't that make sense? All right. Now, do you see? They pulled out the dimes because the dimes are worth more than the pennies. So we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30. Then we get to add the pennies on the end. Add the babies on the end. Now we're going to change gears because we're not going to count by tens anymore. We have to change gears and count by ones. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So what is the value of my pile of coins? 32 cents. Good job. Thank you, Kaysen, for telling us that. Remember, it's not worth 32 monkeys. It's not worth 32 bananas. It is worth 32 cents. Remember, when we're talking about coins, we always use the unit of measure, coins. Okay, here we go, and cents. Sorry, I said that wrong. All right, let's go down to number 1. Well, number 1 is going to be really easy because they're all dimes. So you are just going to count by tens. Number 2, you have dimes and pennies. And if I look on my little card, dimes are worth 10, pennies are worth 1. You will be counting by tens and ones, okay? All right, number 3, you're going to be counting all pennies. Well, pennies are probably the easiest thing to do because you've been counting by one since you were about 3 years old, okay? Dimes, pennies, dimes, pennies. Ooh, this one's going to be a little tricky because they mixed them all up. Now, what could you do? What could you do when you get to that one? Izzy, what do you think you would do? You would, I love that. Did everybody hear Izzy? She said she would just draw a line through the dimes after she counted them, and then she would cross off the pennies, right? I'm going to count my dimes first, then I'm going to change gears. Noelle? Right. Put the babies on the end. I love that. Makes me think of a really cute video that we used to watch, huh? All right, let's go to the back. Now remember, at any time during the video, if you want to work on that problem, just hit pause, work on it, and then come back to me, okay? Number 7. Sally has 45 cents. She has dimes and pennies. Draw a picture to show the coins. All right, now we're going to do this one together because this one's kind of fun. All right, I'm going to put up the magic number 45 cents. And remember, cents is just a little C with a line through it. All right, I'm going to need dimes and pennies. That's all she has today. It would have been great to have a 5 cent, right? Because then I could have had a nickel. All right, I'm only allowed to have dimes and pennies today. So what should I do? And I'm gonna bother, let's see, who's sitting right there? Javi. Javi, what would you do first? You would count by tens, wouldn't? Good job. So I'm just gonna make a circle for my dimes, okay? 10. Keep going. 20. Travis, are you going to help him out? Good job. 30. 40. Whoops. I didn't mean to write a 4. I meant to write a 1. Ooh, that's a yucky dime. 10, 20, 30, 40. Could I add another dime? 50. And Allie, you are shaking your head. No, you don't want me to do that. No, because 50 would be more than 45 cents. All right, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now what am I going to do? Eleanor, what should I do next? Well, I took care of the 40. Now I need to take care of the 5. And guess what? 5 is pretty easy. I'm going to make it look like dice. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right, here we go. Thank you, Eleanor. You're very speedy today. Let's count all of our coins now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Did we make coins that were equal to 45 cents? Yes. Could I have drawn 45 pennies? Could I have drawn 45 of these? Yes. That would be the same value. The value is the same. Do I want all those 45 pennies in my pocket? Wow, that would make it very heavy. My pants probably wouldn't stay up, would they? All right. Now, do you think you could do number 8 for me? Jack has 5 dimes and 17 pennies. I don't see why not. And number 9, for all of you advanced math kids, why don't you try the hot today? Tom has 4 dimes. He wants to buy the marker. The marker is 54 cents. How many more cents does he need? Ooh, and everybody should try number 10. Rita has the 2, oh, Rita, that's Isaiah's mommy. Rita has 2 coins in her purse. Everybody see those coins? Which coins does Rita need to make 31 cents? Ooh, oh, I love that one. Should we do that one together? I think we should. Let's try it, okay? That one is quite fun. All right, she's got 2 dimes. I'm just going to put up my 1 dime. And where's my other dime? I'm searching. And I can't find it. How about if I give you this dime? Can you guys see? I have a dime. All right. 10, 20. That's all she has, but she wants 31 cents. Okay. So what am I going to do to get to 31? All right. I'm going to start with 20 cents. And I have to jump up to 31 cents. What would be the easiest way? And I'm gonna call on, oh, I see your face over there and you're trying not to look at me. JJ, what should I do first? You would add a dime. Absolutely, because then I can go from 20 to 30. And now all I have to do is add a 1. Do you see where I could have added a 10 and a 1? Do you see the coins that are worth 10 plus 1? Good job, everyone. Thank you for coming to math class, and hopefully I'm going to see you at your house real soon. Bye-bye.